Hi guys, I'm Malcolm. One more day, one more scorecard of 8 each. I have with us the scorecard of Ms. Subedi, our Nepali student from Melbourne. She enrolled with us in the 1 month guaranteed course, and this is the outcome within 1 month. Band 9 in speaking, band 9 in reading. Prior to this, she had one attempt of her own in which the scores were a bit lower, but with the help of our one-on-one feedback sessions and personalized and customized tailored courses, we achieved a combined score of 8 each in the first attempt. Now, you might follow so many pages on TikTok, but if you follow our page, you'll see that almost every day we are uploading consistently scores of 8 each in PTE, success stories of NATI and IELTS as well. There is hardly any institute in Australia which is producing results at the pace at which we are producing. So if you're looking for PT guaranteed courses, IELTS guaranteed courses, or NATI CCL guaranteed courses, which we have in 6 languages, make sure you call us on the number which is mentioned on the scorecard. We also have our own AI scored portal which comes with 400 AI scored mock tests with unlimited attempt. Plus you get one-to-one feedback sessions with our tutors in the same fee which we charge. Don't waste your time. Contact us today for your PT, IELTS and NATI needs. Thank you.